Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate spread at home, step by step. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of whole milk, and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Also, prepare a medium saucepan, a whisk, and an airtight jar for storage. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's start cooking. In your saucepan, combine the 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. Next, slowly pour in the 1 cup of milk, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat and stir constantly for about 5 to 7 minutes. The mixture will thicken as it heats, becoming a rich, glossy consistency. Once your chocolate mixture has thickened, remove the saucepan from the heat. This is where we add the richness. Stir in the 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Keep stirring until the butter is completely melted and fully incorporated, giving the spread a beautiful sheen. For an extra depth of flavor, you can also add about 1/4 teaspoon of instant coffee granules. It really enhances the chocolate without tasting like coffee. Finally, it's time to prepare your delicious homemade chocolate spread for enjoyment. Carefully pour the warm spread into a clean, sterilized, airtight jar or container. It's crucial to let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours before refrigerating. As it cools, it will continue to thicken to the perfect spreadable consistency. Once cooled, store your delightful creation in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.